Hello, I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man. I'm with Mike Rainford. Mike is a partner at JMW's Manchester office and works in our business crime and regulatory department, specialising in fraud. Hello, Mike.
Hi, Dominic. Good to hear from you.
Nice to hear from you as well, Mike. So we see that in the press that HMRC are investigating somewhere near 13,000 businesses. I mean, is that right, Mike? Are HMRC investigating businesses that they suspect are fraudulently claiming government support?
Yes. In fact, I'm surprised it's not more, and it probably that there probably are a lot more than that have been involved in questionable applications, shall we say. And it may well be that they're just scratching the surface. But yes, I act for businesses and individuals currently who are being investigated by the Revenue for furlough fraud. And they're ongoing. As far as I'm aware, certainly in the Northwest, nobody has actually been formally prosecuted, charged with any furlough fraud offence as yet, but they are being investigated.
And you mentioned prosecution there, so it is possible then for businesses and individuals to be prosecuted?
Yes, it is. The directors are the people who are being questioned about their applications for furlough monies, and obviously they are acting on behalf of the company, who will then receive the money to do with whatever they think that they want to do with it. So either or can be prosecuted.
And you mentioned that. So if a business or an individual is investigated, what can the directors or that individual do? And is it something you can help with, Mike?
Yes, it is, because what happens if the Revenue feel there has been a fraud, they will formally write to the director and say that they want to carry out an investigation. They'll want to see certain paperwork. They'll want to invite the director to a formal police and criminal evidence, that's an under caution interview, to question the director about the application he's made and whether it was a genuine application. So that is what happens, and that is what has been happening with people that I've represented. And
so I suppose the earlier they contact you, the better, Mike.
Well, yes, as soon as and it will be quite apparent to them, because the letter is headed Criminal Investigation Department of HMRC. So that the alarm bells should start ringing when anybody sees that. And then they read the letter and it's inviting them to an interview under caution at a police station. Then further alarm bells ring. And at that stage, you should be contacting myself for advice, so that prior to the interview, if we do have an explanation, if there is paperwork to back up the furlough application, for instance, then we can get it together, we can produce it at the interview, we can have answers to questions that are going to be posed, so that we can aim to move the Revenue away from any potential criminal proceedings, taking it further by way of a charge and court proceedings.
Mike, thank you very much for your time. And if you'd like to contact Mike, you can email insideman@jmw.co.uk or call 0161 82 81 999. I'm Dominic Walker, JMW's Inside Man.